Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are solving a real world TCS NQT 2026 question asked in 21st March shift 1. This is a very important beginner level problem based on if else logic. Okay, so the question is a simple. We are given a product amount and we need to apply the discount based on the multiple conditions. The conditions are there are the four conditions. The first conditions is if the amount is 0 or less than 0, then we want to print the error. If the amount is up to 1000, then give the 5% discount to the customer. And the third condition, if the amount is up to 5000, then give the 10% of discount to the customer. And the last condition is that if the amount is above 5000, then give the 15% discount to the user. These are the four conditions we want to apply on this problem. Okay, this is a simple if else program. So here we will see the approach how to solve this program in our NQT exam. Okay, so consider these four conditions and moving forward to the approach. The first one is we want to use the if else conditions. So here we will write the if amount is less than or less than equal to 0, then print the error, and here we want to return. Okay, and else if the amount is up to 1000, that means amount is less than equal to 1000, then we want to give the discount of 5%. That means here first of all we want to declare the integer discount is equal to 0. This is variable, and then remove this int, and the actual discount calculate here. The discount is equal to actual amount into, here we want to need 0.5% discount, so amount into 0.05%. Okay, then the third condition, else if amount is less than equal to 5000 and 1000. Okay, and the discount is equal to amount into, here we want to give the 10% discount, that's why 0.10. Okay, and the last condition, else, that means amount is above 5000, then we want to give the discount is equal to 15%. That means amount into 0.15. This is our approach for solve this logic. Okay, so we are on our laptop screen. Here we will create the Java class discount product. Okay, then we will create the main class public static void main. After that we want to take the input from the user, that's why we will use the scanner class. Scanner input is equal to new scanner system dot in. After that we will show the one print statement, like enter the amount of product. Then this product amount we will store in the amount variable input dot next int. Then we want to declare the two variables. First one is double discount, and the second one is double final amount. Okay, then the main logic starts from here. If the amount is less than equal to 0, then we want to print the error and return here. Else if the amount between 0 to 1000, amount is less than equal to 1000, then give the discount equal to amount into 0.05. Okay, then else if the amount is between 5000, give the discount of 10% amount into 0.10. Okay, then if that means else the amount sorry, amount is above 5000, then discount is equal to amount into 0.15. Okay, that's it. So here at the last we want to print the final price of the product. That's why we will here print the final amount. Final amount is we want to store the first of all final amount. That means final amount equal to amount minus discount. Okay, and here we want to print the final amount. That's it. So let's start compile our program and enter the amount of product. First of all we will give the minus 5000. Our output is error, then enter the amount of product. At that point we will use the 600 and the final amount is 570. After that we will give the product price is 5000, the final amount is 450. Okay, so this is the TCS NQT first 21st March first shift first days problem.